Hi, this is Nishant. In this video, we are going to see about micromachining. The term micromachining refers to removal of material at the micron level. Using this micromachining, we can manufacture integrated chips and sensors that works based on microelectrical, micromechanical, and micro-electromechanical principles. One of the most important applications of micromachining is the production of sensors. For example, airbag sensors. Airbag sensors are sensors used in cars to produce airbags during accident times. Airbag sensors operates based on accelerometers and control systems which are produced by micromachining. This is an example for micromachined product, a micromachined microgear. What are the types of micromachining? There are three major types of micromachining. Before going into the types, we have to see two important principles. Etching. Chemical removal of material from the substrate is called etching, and the chemical used in this process is called etchant. Masking. Depositing a layer onto a substrate which resists chemical action such as etching is called masking. Deposited chemical layer is called maskant. Bulk micromachining. Bulk micromachining is the mostly used micromachining process. In bulk micromachining, a orientation dependent etching is done on a single crystal substrate. High aspect ratio is possible in this machining. What are the steps involved in bulk micromachining? Diffuse dopant in desired pattern, deposit and pattern masking film, orientation dependent etching, leaving the freestanding structure. This image shows the process of bulk micromachining. A P-type substrate is doped onto a N-type substrate, then masking. The required portion of the substrate is masked while the unwanted portion of the substrate is being unmasked. When it is exposed to etching, it removes the unmasked layer, leaving the required freestanding structure. Surface micromachining. Unlike bulk micromachining, which is limited to a single crystal substrate, surface micromachining can micromachine a polycrystal substrate. What are the steps involved in surface micromachining? Depositing a phosphosilicate glass layer, etching of a spacer layer, that is the phosphosilicate glass layer, deposition of a polysilicon, etching of a polysilicon, selective wet etching of a phosphosilicate glass layer, leaving the silicon substrate and the deposited polysilicon unaffected. This image shows the surface micromachining process. A spacer layer or a sacrificial layer made of phosphosilicate glass is deposited onto a primary substrate. Then the unwanted portion of a phosphosilicate glass is removed by wet etching. Then polysilicon layer is deposited onto a phosphosilicate spacer layer. Then the unwanted polysilicon layer is removed by dry etching, that is by bombardment of ions. Then at final stage, the unwanted phosphosilicate spacer layer is removed by wet etching. LIGA. LIGA is a German acronym which means lithography, galvanoforming and abuforming. Lithography process is a combined process of X-ray lithography, electrodeposition and molding process. In LIGA process, the following steps are followed. Expose, develop, electrodeposition, strip, that is removal of polymethyl methacrylate, replicate or release. A very thick layer of polymethyl methacrylate is deposited onto a primary substrate. Then the required portion of a polymethyl methacrylate is masked while the unwanted portion is being unmasked. When it is exposed to a collimated X-rays, it removes the unmasked layer, leaving the required polymethyl methacrylate. When metal is deposited onto a primary substrate and the removal of polymethyl methacrylate produces the required freestanding metal structure. Using this required freestanding metal structure, we can proceed a molding process. This image shows the LIGA process, where a polymethyl methacrylate is deposited onto a primary substrate. Then masking is done and collimated to X-rays. It removes the unwanted polymethyl methacrylate, leaving the required polymethyl methacrylate. When metal is electrodeposited onto it and the removal of polymethyl methacrylate leaves the required freestanding metal structure. Using this freestanding metal structure, we can perform mold. Here is a short video on LIGA process. Thank you for watching this video.